Hello, it's Paul McBride here at GOLDLAW during National Child Safety and Protection Month. And we're providing you, the public, with a few tips on how to keep your children safe and protect other children from potential harms or dangers. And so, being that we're getting close to the end of November, it's not really swimming season anymore for a few more months, now is a good time to be thinking about how you can make your backyard swimming pool safe for next summer. So first, always make sure to have your backyard swimming pool completely surrounded by at least a 4 to 5 foot high fence. Second, you want to make sure that that fence has a gate that latches on its own, that locks on its own. It's not easily unlocked or opened by children, and it's out of the reach of children around your swimming pool. These are things that we here in Florida have to keep in mind at all times because, of course, very important to keep cool, important for your kids to keep cool during the summer when they're outside playing. And of course, if ever you need an attorney to help you out in your time of need after going through a traumatic event or getting hurt, please give us a call here at GOLDLAW. We're always happy to help.